15번. 대화를 듣고 남자의 마지막 말에 대한 여자의 응답으로 가장 적절한 것을 고르세요.
Hey, John! Why do you look so down? What's the matter?
I couldn't even start my assignment for home economics class, and it's due tomorrow.
Really? What is it about?
I have to make a bag by using a sewing machine, but I'm afraid of using it.
Are you? I like making things with a sewing machine.
Great! Then could you do me a favor?
Sure. What is it?
This is the cloth for the bag. Will you make one for me?
Well, I can give some tips and show you how to use the machine, but I can't make the whole bag for you.
Then you mean you cannot help me?